Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare. Customer states engine rattling and leaking oil. Somehow it drove in this condition. Mechanic found this during a pre-purchase inspection, along with a bunch of other major issues.
Yeah, that's not supposed to do that. One more time? Oh yeah, sorry, that's it.
Customer did their own wiring job and came in complaining about having no lights on their dashboard.
Oh my god.
You see any lights here?
No, not really.
No? I wonder why.
This Mercedes G-Wagon apparently hit a curb going fast. Don't see rims destroyed that badly too often.
I don't think that's right.
This customer got this Fiat 500C with 85,000 miles for free. It was free as the timing had failed bending all of the valves. They then fully rebuilt it, but unfortunately, the first start sounded like this.
What the f is this?
This mechanic had to do a temporary fix after their alternator mounting sheared off while driving home. Who knew that Chevy caliper brackets can explode? That's one way to remove a rusty hinge pin. This mechanic got into this truck to do an inspection and found this very odd issue.
That is so weird.
Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.